So now let's go over how to make a return using Walmart. So first we're going to jump into our account and select purchase history. And next to every item, you have the option where it says start a return. So when you click on that, it's going to give you the product. You're going to be able to select the item and click on continue. And then you're going to go ahead and select the reasoning why you are returning the item. For this example, we're going to put item damaged, and then underneath that, you have the option to ask for a refund or a replacement. We're going to select refund because we want free shipping for our return. And then below that, you have the comment box. You can go ahead and add a comment, which is completely optional. You can go ahead and write item arrived damaged, and then go ahead and select continue. And here you can choose the option on how you would like to return this item. So some of the options that you have available to choose on how to return the item are scheduled for pickup, which is free, return at Walmart store, which is also free, return by mail, free as well, and drop off at FedEx office location, which of course is free as well. We're going to of course select return by mail. Now that you have selected the way that you want to return the item, you have pressed continue, you have the review here. So once you've gone through all of the information, you're just going to go ahead and select submit. Here you have your confirmation and you can view the label and instructions. You also have the option to print this out, which I recommend. And this is our last step. We have the return label that we will be sending to our customer. But of course, we're going to go ahead and remove the left-hand side here because we don't want the customer knowing the exact price or where it's coming from. And after everything is said and done, Walmart will be returning the funds back to our credit card that we used at the beginning.